Hey there guys, what's up? Fulmer4Tech here from techinform.us, and today I'm going to show you a little bit of how you can, if you don't have a Mac, I have a Mac, I have a MacBook Pro, but if you don't have a Mac, some very nice software for editing videos and recording your screen and stuff like that. I have to say before this, I did not pay for this software, and some of the software is actually quite expensive. I'm not going to say how I didn't pay for it, but let's just say that it was not illegal. Okay, so the first, I'd say the easiest PC editing program is something called Camtasia. If you let me access the website right now, I'm going to go to Camtasia.com. It's a TechSmith. TechSmith is actually a fairly well-known software maker for Windows. But you can screencast, you can record on your screen, you can record your webcam while screen recording, like you can in I have it for Mac. I forget what it's called. ScreenFlow. It's sort of like ScreenFlow. But something. Let's see what else you can do. You can get a free trial. It's a 30-day trial. Not all the features are included, but whatever. Something that I really did not like, that I do not like about it, because I'm using it right now. I'm using Camtasia right now. Something that I do not like about it is that you are unable to start a video like with a little transition or whatever you want to call it. Like you can't have it the thing swinging around like that and your face coming in. Something that you can do very easily on iMovie and ScreenFlow. But it can be used on iPods. It can be used on Zooms and things like the videos it makes, not the actual software. YouTube. It can. Just really it exports to any type of video. Cost $2.99 for one license. So yes, it is quite expensive compared to things like ScreenFlow, which are about $99. But it's well worth it if you want to do some editing on a PC. $2.99, fairly good software. As I said, do a little tour here. You can. I'll actually show you what it looks like here. This is what Camtasia looks like. You have your videos and callouts. You can add panning and zooming to your cursor. I might have to do that while editing this video. So if you see it, it's because I was doing it on Camtasia. I'm gonna have to minimize that. Bring this back up. And my next favorite one for editing on PCs is something that pretty much everybody has heard of. It's called Sony Vegas, and yes, this is much more expensive. Oh God, is Bing really Bing? I don't even use Bing. I use Google. Let's see, Sony Vegas. There we go. Let's see, here we go. So the version of Sony Vegas that I have is Sony Vegas Movie Studio 9 Platinum Pro. It says here $114, but I did not get it for that at all. Got it for much cheaper. I cannot tell you where, because I just cannot. But Sony Vegas is actually much harder to use, you can't really do as much. You can't, to my knowledge, you cannot screen record. Cancel, get out of here. You can't screen record, and it uploads to YouTube in a very odd format, and it makes your video very small and just kind of awkward. But you can, in fact, put things like this, as you see on screen, as the beginning of a video. So that's something that I like about it. I use it more for professional uses. And something else that I like about Vegas is that it comes with software called SoundForge Audio Studio, which I actually find myself using more than Sony Vegas itself, because it records very high definition audio. It does it in 5.1 surround sound, even if your mic isn't 5.1 surround sound. You can add FX to it. You can just do really fun stuff with it. You can distort your voice and stuff like that. But that's that. This comes free with Platinum. That's what comes free with Platinum. So this is just what it looks like when you screen capture in Camtasia. So I'm going to stop the video now. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and check out our new channel when it's up, techinform.us. Me and Ryan Knows Tech are starting this, and another person that really doesn't have a YouTube account, but I'm sure he'll get one started up once it starts up. So thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. I'll say it again. And follow me on Twitter at Fulmer4Tech. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Peace out.